Looking for a quick fix to boost your energy, focus, and mood without caffeine or sugar crashes? That's exactly what Livelle B12 Liquid Drops promise with their raspberry-flavored, fast-absorbing formula that supposedly works with just 2 drops under your tongue. The ads make it sound like a breakthrough, claiming the sublingual method delivers vitamin B12 straight into your bloodstream for instant clean energy. But the big question is, are these drops really worth the hype or just another overhyped supplement? When you dig deeper, a few things start to stand out. First, the bold claims of lasting energy and mental clarity aren't backed by solid clinical studies, meaning there's little scientific proof that this product does anything extraordinary compared to other B12 supplements on the market. Second, while vitamin B12 is important for your body, supplements only really benefit those who are deficient, and many people with normal levels won't feel much of a difference at all. On top of that, customer experiences raise more concerns. Some report that the product quality feels cheap, the taste is artificial, and the promised results never show up. Others have complained about inflated prices, fake-looking 5-star reviews, and difficulty reaching customer service. Then there's the cost factor. Livelle B12 Liquid Drops are priced much higher than trusted B12 brands that have been around for years and offer the same vitamin at a fraction of the cost. And finally, there are red flags suggesting this might be a dropshipping product. Things like fake urgency discounts, vague manufacturer information, and recycled branding that pops up with different names. So while Livelle B12 Liquid Drops might sound tempting in the ads, the reality is less impressive, leaving many to wonder if it's a smart buy or just another supplement riding the wave of clever marketing.